Hello, everyone, and thank you to be here. I'm Cristina Pellizzati, ICF professional certified coach, trainer, and supervisor. I'm grateful to the Association for Coaching for offering me this precious opportunity to participate in this conversation with masters focused on psychosynthesis, awareness, and will in action. On October 8th, we will be opening up the concept of psychosynthesis as a transpersonal psychology and how it can be employed to help clients develop a new awareness and learn how to transform this awareness in a conscious act of will, moving from the limiting belief of a role, a mask that we call supersonality, to the freedom of choosing which one of the supersonality to wear at will to empower the process of self-awareness, self-realization when reaching an outcome. And it will be a moment of interaction, Q&A, little exercise to unfold this major psychological function, will, and the meaning related to this powerful but still often misunderstood energy that will represents. So I'm looking forward to this conversation, and thank you.